When working on a transaction in Form Simplicity, here's a tip. Come to the task area of your transaction and use the new task area for items like deposit date, closing date, renewal date. Type it in, click on due date or the calendar, and select the date you desire to be reminded, and click Add Task. If in the Preference area you've chosen to receive an email notification on that reminder date, the system will send you an email telling you for the transaction your deposit is due. Think of the list of things that you do for your transaction, and you can come into the new task area and add them. Create a reminder for yourself for things such as closing day, inspection, and lease renewal. Use the task area as a great way to keep you focused on your transaction. Thank you for being a Miami member.